Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm here to show you how to make perfect dough every single time without any mistake or any faults. And it has been very scary and very daunting task for many people, that how to get the dough right. Sometimes they get it very soft, sometimes it becomes very hard and flaky. So I'll show you how to make perfect dough for your everyday roti. So let's get started. Now I have taken 500 grams of atta. It's chakki atta. You can take any atta which you like, medium, wholemeal, but I have got chakki atta. It's 500 grams, and I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoon salt in there, and just mix it. Just give it a quick mix. Now I'm going to dump 350 grams of water into it. Just dump all of it in there, and then start mixing it with your spoon. Don't use your hands at this stage, so they will get too messy. Just mix it quickly. Try to mix water and that atta together as much as you can with your spoon. That's done. Now you can see that most of it has become wet. There's some atta which is dry in there. Smooth your sleeves up, and now you can use your hands, and it will not be as messy as before. You can see my hands are not getting too messy with this atta. Do that because I have 100 grams more water in this bowl, and I'll just add a little bit of the leftover dry kind of thing, and that's it. You do not need more water at all. Now you just have to keep mixing it like this. Knead it. It will just take 2 minutes. And pick this up and clean the sides of your pot. And that's it. You can either do this for a minute and then you can put it on one side, put it in a airtight container, leave it in the fridge or on the worktop, or there you go. You can see it looks so beautiful and doesn't feel clumpy or dry at all. This is perfect dough to make parathas or roti. And sometimes if you have wholemeal atta, I think you have to knead it for a couple of more minutes. So it's done. I'm going to put this in the container, and then we will make some lovely parathas. I'm going to put this airtight container and cover it, leave it for 20 minutes at least if you want to make parathas or roti with that. And I have used 500 grams of atta, and altogether I have used 375 grams of water in it. So That's the perfect ratio to make atta for your parathas. So there you go. Our atta is ready, and you saw that it was so easy. It just literally took me 4 to 5 minutes to make this perfect dough. We do not need any stand mixer or any atta machines to make the dough. And I hope you like my video, and I hope it will make your experience of making atta very easy. Thanks for watching, and inshallah see you in some other video.